Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to create a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. Let's create a table with the fields, name, department and total fees paid by each student. Now to create a pivot based on this table, go to Insert Pivot Table and select the range. Here you can select an external data source or a data range within the same Excel sheet or workbook. You can also select the location of the pivot table, either the same worksheet or a different worksheet. Once the selection is done, press OK. You will see a pivot table field list on the right-hand side. Drag and drop the fields in the areas below. For example, if you want to filter by department, then drag and drop department into the Report Filter box. Drag and drop the name field into the Row Labels box and the fees paid into the Values box. Now select the department. You can also select multiple items by checking the Multiple Items checkbox. You can also right-click on the fields to check the Pivot Table options. You can also change the type of data you want to show by right-clicking on the Value field of the pivot table and selecting the Value field settings to Sum or Count or Average, etc. You can change the name of the field as shown in the pivot table from Custom Name. Now change the name of the row label by clicking on the row label in the pivot table. You can also change the type of data by right-clicking on the Values field and select Summarize Data by. Also, if you want to change the location of the pivot table, just select the pivot table, select Cut or Ctrl+X, go to the new location and select Paste or press Ctrl+V. Now, right-click on the pivot table and click on Refresh to refresh the pivot table. Hope you enjoy this video. If so, then like, share and subscribe.